So the brainstorming session has finished, and the app I came is an app used in the restaurant I called iCook. This is so because this app is used to help you cook your own food within the restaurant iCook. So what it does is allows you to prepare main courses, desserts, and drinks based on your ingredient choice, and you can do that in the restaurant or prior to restaurant arrival. And so what this app does now, let's start it. It takes you firstly to a terms of use agreement page where you basically agreed that every information that you shared through this app will be used to ameliorate your experience at iCook and will not be used for any other things. So assuming that the person would agree to this, it will take you right away to the signing up page, and you can either sign up through these flashy networks. And basically everything you create can be shared through this network, or the signing up is made redundant if you just sign up through one of these networks, so if that's what you prefer. But otherwise you're encouraged to actually sign up through the My Menu app, so you can create your own profile and collect points, redeem points, and if you want to use the app on your mobile phone and actually create dishes upon prior to arrival, then this is what you have to do. But assuming we're not signing up, let's start right away. So this is the main menu. You can choose dishes and ingredients according to country or flags if you prefer that, or through ingredients, or through a certain location. The country names are not given, but if you think, okay, that's something I would like to try from this region, and that's something you can do. We'll get back to that later. Or you can go through a certain diet, or featured dishes are dishes that other people have created. Or the last option is just shuffle through, like it will suggest you a random dish that has been cooked together. You can keep shuffling until it's something you like. Let's go through the most relevant and interesting ones, maybe the ingredients one. So on the bottom right, it will suggest you ingredients that iCook wants to sell more, like certain more expensive ingredients or more perishable ingredients because we have them on stock, or those we can earn more money with. iCook also allows you to search sorry, for specific ingredients, or other than that you can have the basic construct of any meal, from side, meat, vegetables, toppings, gravies and stuff are on the second page. Assuming we're going to go for pasta, it will give you general information, where it's from, dietary and allergy infos, and on the right hand side it will suggest similar items from other countries. Going back to home, so this is the map view. We just basically click anywhere and it suggests you ingredients from those places, or dishes for that matter. Or if you go through diet, you can choose certain dietary options, organic or halal. This has been decided for London. What I will include in the next version of My Menu is kosher, something I forgot. If you choose organic, then what it does is firstly tell you that the overall choice is limited, because My Menu is just, iCook is not able to keep all the ingredients organically, or organic items for that matter. So, but if you're a regular customer, you can tell this or save it through signing up actually, and save certain ingredients that you want, or talk to the staff and they will get certain ingredients for you if you're coming regularly. Other than that, you can choose a certain type of getting your ingredients done: fried, baked, boiled, steamed, or within a soup. Or chef's recommendation. There's no name, so that people get curious and that so that they click on it. This is basically an option that the chef will choose according to convenience, for that matter, which is good for iCook if people choose this option. So that means the cook can just do it the way he thinks it's easiest for him or most tasty for the customer, depending on the choice of ingredients. Let's proceed. So this is the route we've chosen. So now it will suggest ingredients. You can see it's only one page out of one because those are organic. And now let's choose certain ingredients. Let's say rice. Again, one page of 2 out of I think 5 rice different rice types we have. Then iCook suggests you, well, in this case my menu will suggest you certain dishes that you might want to cook, or that you can just choose from certain different countries. Fried rice, because there's fried rices in many countries, so it doesn't have a country icon. On the bottom right, it will suggest you featured dishes that other people cooked with this ingredient you have chosen. Basically, let's add a portion, shall we? And so it added different types of rice have different prices, obviously. So it added 120 to your shopping cart. We choose another one. Let's go for chicken. Basic info. Now what's interesting, on the right top, it actually adopted the trying to cook suggestion section. So now it's rice and chicken, paella in this case, or chicken biryani, or risotto, or Canton fried rice. See, now it's a suggested one of those with chicken, and this from Hong Kong. Or the featured dishes have been adopted as well. So now let's go for chicken breast. Add a portion, 220 on the top, 340. Let's say I would want to have vegetable, maybe not. Maybe just a sauce, or so. It has certain allergy infos down here. Again, on the top, it adopted it. Here, featured dishes, it adopted as well. Curry chicken. Yeah, I guess it's Chinese curry chicken. Yeah, let's go for the Thai one. So, add a portion, green Thai curry chicken rice. Now we added this, 5 pounds we are now. Let's go back. So in orange, those ingredients we've chosen. You can still sign up, and at any point actually. But let's proceed to the payment. So this is your order. So you can see that you can get points for the ingredients you've chosen. So the more fancy and the more ingredients you choose, you can see, you can go to the right, or the more spiciness you choose. The idea behind this is that you will drink, or the more fancy it gets, the more points you get, and the more expensive it gets, which is good for iCook. So let's like increase the piquancy here. That now it's medium, 2 points. You could also make your own drinks or desserts. I'm not going to do that now. Let's go and proceed to pay. Again, you're encouraged to sign up this so you can save your dishes, you can collect points, and share your menus, and get ratings within the My Menu app, within the use for all the uses of this app. And a good option is as well to save your debit and credit card, and like it does with any other page, like Amazon or any rail services in the UK. So basically you just get to save your card, which eases your payment procedure. Here on the right hand side you have your order, how many collects you could be collecting. So if this is a tab, a touch screen, you can swipe it to the right, to the left, and you can see the full ingredients and more details for your order. And so let's pay by cash and place order. After this point you cannot return. It means it's fixed, but now you can still like amend your order on the right hand side. After placing the order, it suggests you that it's going to take 13 minutes. And this is the amount of points you could collect if you actually sign up through My Menu. If not, well, it shows you My Menu news. And again, since you haven't signed up with anything, it also gives you another chance to sign up with one of the other networks. And on the top it shows you, yeah, that if you actually sign up through My Menu, you can actually get free meals for every 10,000 points you make. Or I could think of that after the first 10,000, it goes down to 9,000, and then it kind of gets stagnant at 5. And but you can see that it takes quite a few ingredients to get actually to 5,000, and by that time iCook will have made enough profit that it doesn't actually mind to give you one meal for free. So this is my app. This is Alex 2012 on behalf of My Menu Limited, and I hope you will be experiencing My Menu sometime in the future in my restaurant iCook. If that's the case, I hope you enjoy the meal and collect a lot of points, and thank you for choosing My Menu and iCook. Goodbye.